How's it going, everyone? Mike here. I did a video a while ago talking about how I had a bunch of products that were showing up as unavailable on Amazon. These products were active through my merch dashboard. They were selling prior to me discovering that they were unavailable, and some of them were selling in large quantities, maybe 50, 60 a month. There were a couple of bestsellers that at one time I sold over 200 to 300 in 1 month, and then you notice a difference. They stop selling, and you try to figure out what's going on. You look at the listing, and this is what you see. Now, that video has continued to receive a lot of comments, and I started talking to a few people, and I try to play around with a couple of things, and I've discovered I have an answer for some of the problem. So the problem that I had was not what I'm going to show you guys. This is just a quick check to see if what you're doing could be confirmed quickly. Now, like I said, my products were showing as currently unavailable on the .com, so Amazon.com, and I am located in the United States. And so that's where my problem came in. Now, a lot of other people from all over the world have been contacting me and asking me about the same thing. And here's where one problem is clear. If you guys are outside of the country in which you're looking up a product, so this, for example, this page is a .com, so it's a US marketplace, and I am in the United States. So for example, when I check, this will be available. But what I'm doing for you guys is showing you when it might show you your products as unavailable. So I've changed the delivery country. So this will happen, for example, if you live in Canada, if you live in Mexico, if you live in India, doesn't matter where you live. Your home page, when you go to Amazon, your home page and your location will be your actual location. So let's say if somebody's in Toronto, Canada, you log into Amazon.com. It doesn't have to be Amazon.ca. It will still recognize your location as Toronto, Canada. And these products, merch by Amazon products, will show up as currently unavailable. Right now, as an example, I've included Argentina. So just to show you guys, and it is showing as unavailable. Let me pull up a few more things, and before I do, I just want to make sure that I'm not showing any of my customers or anybody else's addresses as I'm doing this. Okay, so I've skipped to another listing, and this is a t-shirt, also merch by Amazon t-shirt, and I've selected now Canada. And as you can see, it's saying that it's currently unavailable. Now, that's pretty much the conclusion that I've made. I've talked to a bunch of other people, and the reason I've talked to these people is to see, we were basically just troubleshooting and trying to figure out what's going on. And we have concluded that this is most likely the case most of the time. For a lot of you guys actually watching this, going through different products that you have listed. So just keep that in mind. If you're in a different country than, let's say, the United States, if you're looking at your .com products, then it will show as unavailable until you change the location. So let me again pause this. So right now I'm going to change this from delivered to Canada to a random zip code in the US, and we'll see the difference. And here we are. So I've actually changed this to delivered to New York. It's the same listing, same information, but it is actually showing that there are delivery options available, and it is no longer currently unavailable. So the product was always available, except when that marketplace does not ship to your location. So for example, .com, if merch is currently not shipping outside of the US, this is what you will, well, not this, but you will see that it is unavailable. If you are on the UK website and you want to ship to a country, or you live in a country where Amazon does not ship, again, you will see currently unavailable. Let's do one more. Okay, here we go. So this is again selected. I've selected the same address, New York. You can see the price, you can see everything, you can see the different delivery options, and it is ready to order. Now let's change the address. Okay, here we are. Again, I've gone with Canada, and it is currently unavailable. Now let's try this same listing with a few other countries, just in case you guys are from there. Okay, and here we are. I've selected Ireland, and again, currently unavailable. Let's try a different continent. Okay, and in this case, I've selected New Zealand, so completely the other side of the world, and again, it is currently unavailable. So I believe we have a mystery solved for at least a lot of the cases. I still don't know what happened for those of you guys like myself when we are in the country where basically the marketplace is the same as the country that we're in, and it's showing that it's unavailable. I believe that years ago, and that's when I did the video, Amazon was having stocking issues, and usually around New Year's and Christmas time they were limiting sales and taking listings down, making them unavailable. So that's always a possibility. But right now, the simplest, the most common problem is your location versus the marketplace that you're on. So just check that. Every time you check that, just make sure that, you know, if it's .com, just make sure that you're selecting the US address, and then you can actually check if it's unavailable for real. That's it, guys. I'll talk to you soon.